Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening System Settings, go straight to Controllers and Sensors. Make sure the Pro controller has power or a USB-C cable attached, because a drained battery can block pairing changes. Once in Controllers and Sensors, select Change Grip/Order so the switch shows active controllers. This reveals the controller you want to remove. You do this now to avoid guessing which unit is paired, so don't skip the menu step, and proceed to identify the specific Pro controller. Once the controller is highlighted in Change Grip/Order, you either press and hold L+R to resync other controllers or choose the Disconnect option if the software shows it. This actively breaks the Bluetooth link. Make sure to confirm any removal prompts. This tells the console to forget the controller's ID. After confirmation, the screen will refresh. You should see the controller disappear. If it remains, repeat the disconnect and give the system a few seconds to apply the change. To finish, power cycle the switch. Hold the power button and choose Restart, because a reboot clears lingering pair data. If the controller still registers, reset the Pro controller by pressing its small rear sync button with a pin. This forces factory pairing state. Once reset, make sure the console is updated in System Settings, then repair only if you want to. If problems persist, repeat Reset and Restart. These steps clear cached pairings and almost always resolve stubborn Bluetooth issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.